Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video you will learn how to delete something and how to recycle something on Windows 10. So we will go to this PC. So here we will go to here we will tap on this folder. So these are the some pictures. So we delete one of our picture from here. So the picture has been deleted. Now you will come on the desktop. So here at the top there is a recycle bin. Simply you will right click on recycle bin. You will tap on empty recycle bin. No, you will go to you will open your recycle bin, then you will uh, right click on it. Here is the option of restore. You will tap on this option. So you have recycled your deleted photo. You will go to that folder where you have deleted this picture. So look, this is picture have been recycled and removed from recycle bin. Thank you.